Which country has been voted the most beautiful? But firstly, what country is allegedly the least beautiful? Well, the least beautiful country in the world is supposedly North Korea. But what country is supposedly the most beautiful? In fifth place, it's the United Kingdom. The Scottish Highlands and the Welsh Mountains have earned it a huge reputation for natural beauty and have often been described as the most beautiful places on earth. Believe it or not, Scotland was actually voted the most beautiful country in the world in 2019. Moving on to fourth place, it's France. Rolling green hills and vineyard of France, as well as the huge architectural beauty, explain why it's the most visited country in the world. Now we move on to North America in third place. It's Canada. Canada is also known for its vast landscapes with extreme seasons and beautiful snow-capped mountains and aqua blue lakes, and is home to some of the most beautiful views and most friendly people on earth. Moving on to second place, it's Italy. Italy has something for everyone. It has the gorgeous as well as the most beautiful tall mountains. It's home to some of the most beautiful and oldest architecture across the globe, earning its second place on the list. Finally, in first place, it's New Zealand. New Zealand has been voted as one of the most beautiful countries for years and years. It's home to many beautiful mountains, landscapes, and has become a great spot for filming movies due to its jaw-dropping beauty. Subscribe the page if you like the video.